folks. Apparently this morning we're doing a hula hoop tug of wars.
A 1 foot hula hoop tug of war. So you hold that and you have to go up and...
Read the instruct.
It's simple.
You tell me what we're doing because I don't know.
Oh, hold on, I'm going to show us a video. Let's look at the video first. Lego, 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 Lego.
No, that's very violent.
Oh, so that look like somebody will get hurt. Come. Hold on, you have too much of it though.
Says who?
Wait, no, you have too much of it. Yeah, and you have to be on 1 foot, by the way.
I'm busy that day.
So you find our pocket.
Not a pocket, silly. Okay.
1 foot, 1 foot.
You're on 2, brother.
I'm waiting for you to ready. Ready up?
Yeah. It's a truce. Well done.
That makes plenty sense.
Congrats.
Congratulations.
Yes, well done.
Well done. Maybe we shall put it through here.
Yeah. You can tie this now?
Let me go see.
Ula, 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 yeah. Not him.
Come again. Oops, that look like it will pull. No, sir, it look like it will pull again. I bet it pull again. It will pull again. Wait, no, I tell it will pull again.
Guys,
we just want one long piece. Hold on, no? Okay then. Come again.
This is not working out well. I think it's good for us too. Because
yeah, by the time we figure it, this is the segment done. We love it. Come on. Do it like
but that's not fair, because your piece smaller than...
you on this side then? And maybe we have to bring this a little bit closer. Wait, no. Wait, no, you're supposed to be on one leg first.
I said, come here.
I said, wait.
Ready,
wait, no, man. Look where you hold it, and look where I hold it.
But this, you have a one thing, I don't have a one thing.
Of course you do.
No, not for real.
Are you ready now?
No, wait. On the mark.
1 foot.
Look for you. Take off your hand first.
What?
One hand.
It never say 1 hand, it say 1 foot.
2, but I just had 2 and you told me to take off my hand.
No. Hold on.
2 and a 1 foot or 1 and a 1 foot?
What you say, 1 and 1 foot?
Produce. Talk fast enough, this is not going to go away.
All right, come. Thank you. That's one love. You're not on 1 foot.
Come back over here. Every cell. Youth. Yeah. Am I sweeping the floor?
I win again.
I have 2 hands, man.
You have 2 too. See? I just get zeros. That's it for this show. Join us tomorrow morning.
Jesus, be a bridge.
What that mean?
Means when you can't see your way clear, you will provide a pathway. We're going to feel this.